can you solve this math challenge? Here's the question. Given this equation 2x minus 3 raised to the power of 1000 equals x raised to the power of 1000, wherein x is a real number, then our goal is to find the value of x. Now you can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. Now suppose you pause this video. Now let's see if you got the correct answer. So given this equation 2x raised to the power of 1000 equals x raised to the power of 1000, then our goal is to find the real value of x that satisfies this equation. Now the question is, how do we solve this kind of question? Now in this kind, we have two cases when we have this kind of question. Because this x, we can replace this with positive or negative. So our equation can be 2x minus 3 raised to the power of 1000 equals positive x raised to the power of 1000. Also, this x right over here can be negative, because negative x raised to the power of 1000, if x is a real number, then since this exponent is even, negative x raised to the power of any even number is still positive x. So this is just the same thing as x raised to the power of 1000, right? So let's have the two cases and let's find out the values of x. Now in the first case, since both expressions are equal and we have the same exponent of 1000, therefore we can say that their bases are the same thing. So we can say that 2x minus 3 equals positive x. Now at this point, if we subtract x on both sides, we have x minus 3 equals 0. And add 3 on both sides, we get that the value of x in the first case must be equal to positive 3. Now on the other hand, on the second case, again, we have the same expression and we have the same exponent, so their bases must be the same thing. So 2x minus 3 equals negative x. Now if we add x on both sides and add 3 on both sides, we get that 3x equals 3. Now if we divide both sides by 3, we get that x equals 1. So we found two possible values for x, two real values of x. We have x equals 3 and x equals 1. Of course, this is easy to check, so let's check these results. So the first one, let's replace all x with positive 3, and on the second case, let's replace all x with positive 1. Now let's simplify. 2 times 3 is 6, minus 3 is 3, so we have 3 raised to the power of 1000 equals 3 raised to the power of 1000. And if we get the 1000th root on both sides, so this is just 3 equals 3, or just the same thing, of course. Now at this point, this is just equal. Now how about on the other case? 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, minus 3 is negative 1. So we have negative 1 raised to the power of 1000 equals 1 raised to the power of 1000. Now negative 1 raised to the power of 1000, this is just negative 1 multiplied by 1000 times, or simply equal to positive 1. And on the right hand side is just positive 1 also. So 1 equals 1. Therefore, we found two real values that satisfies this equation. So given 2x minus 3 raised to 1000 equals x raised to 1000, then we found two real values of x satisfies this equation. We have x equals 3 or x equals 1. And as always, we are done.